Alright, first time to order a guitar online. This is from Clifton Mini Dreadnought. So this is the Clifton A series. This is the A1. No frills, just tone. Before I ordered, I asked the owner of Clifton, who's kind of a friend of mine on the online. We live, his house in Caloocan is about 2 kilometers from our place. I asked him to set it up for me. So let's see if he did. So it comes with it's a small guitar, it's a mini Dreadnought. Comes with a padded gig bag. Inside is the guitar. It's pretty small. It's kind of like I imagine a baby Taylor. So it has the truss rod, Allen wrench for the truss rod, in case we need that. I'm hoping not anymore, in case it's there. And it's wrapped pretty well, and the guitar is very light. Nice. So here it is. Again, it's a mini Dreadnought, like baby Taylor. I asked him to set it up. It's I'm not sure if you can see, but it's a little high still, so maybe a little more setup is needed for this one. And the neck is pretty straight, and see if it's in tune. Not in tune, but it has a built-in tuner. It has a balanced and unbalanced output. Battery not included maybe. Oh, that's that. Oh, okay. So the battery is still sealed, which is good. This one has an under saddle pickup as well as a microphone. I'm not sure if it's set up properly. I'll have to set it up later. So, battery. Tuner is on. Let's tune this baby. It's supposed to be in standard tuning. This is not the way I tune, by the way. I have a different way of tuning a guitar for the sake of speed. Pretty full sound for such a small guitar. I think it's a good investment. It's only list price is 7,200 online. again, action can still be adjusted, but overall, pretty good. This Clifton Mini Dreadnought.